Hey, I'm gonna jump right into this today because I'm late, but we've had storms today and I've had a ton of content to shoot, which is why I have eye makeup on. In fact, this whole look that you see right here is gonna be my Saturday video. So if you like this look, come back and watch my Saturday video. I think it's gonna be quick, like 15 minutes. Okay, so Wednesday nights are usually my Seint night. Many of you spoke up that you really love watching Seint videos Wednesday night. So I'm going to honor that because I'm here for you. So I really listen to what everyone has to say. And many of you aren't on social media. In fact, I'm shocked at how many of you aren't on social media. You're not on Facebook, which I don't blame you. That's such a sad place. You're not on Instagram. Most of you aren't on TikTok, but you're here on YouTube. I want to honor that. This is my favorite platform. This is my favorite community. So I am going to take off my eye makeup and I'm going to show you a fun look that I want to do for spring and Easter. I'm already thinking ahead for like Easter Sunday. I have on a a pre-glued. It's so cool. I want to show you. I have these. They're pre-glued lash extensions, but it's like half a strip. See how big that is? Usually lash extensions are little tiny segments like this and you put like 4 or 5 on an eye, but this is a bigger one. And then I didn't put the small one on. I just put the big one on the outside of each eye. And it goes right on because it's already pre-glued. And then it kind of gives the eye that outer depth and lip. And then I just put regular mascara all through there. I'm impressed. I just saw those. Oh, this isn't good. I just dropped some Seint eyeshadows. That's not good. Anyway, so I saw those today. I had to run into Ulta real quick. I left my curling iron in Knoxville, Tennessee. I took my daughter to see University of Tennessee because she got accepted. We're very proud of her. And she didn't want to go. She said, I don't want to go there. I'm like, well, it's 2.5 hours away. We're going. Well, she fell in love with it. But she brought my big chunky curling iron and honestly, I'm not blaming her, but somehow it got left in the hotel, I believe, because we can't find it anywhere. So I went to Ulta to get a new curling iron. I love the one I got. It's by Babyliss. I guess that's how you say it. Babyliss, Bubba. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little bit of eyeliner on just because I like eyeliner. I did a look for Nars a couple weeks ago. I think most of you know. A couple weeks ago, I went to a Nars dinner in Nashville. It was a beautiful dinner. And I wore all Nars because, you know, when I'm with Seint, I wear all Seint. When I'm with Nars, I wear all Nars. When I'm with, you know, Lancome, I wear all Lancome. What else? Oh, Charlotte Tilbury. I did Charlotte Tilbury a year ago. I wore all Charlotte Tilbury because I'm going to honor the brand and they're paying for me to be there. They usually buy us an Uber so we don't have to bring a car into the city. It's really sweet. So I wore this gorgeous, I have to show you because it's so pretty. I wore this beautiful eye combination to the Nars event and I did this beautiful purple. And then I did that in my crease. And then I did this shimmer in the middle of the eyelid. And everyone was like, what is on your eyes? I'm like, I know, it's so pretty. But you know what? We're going to do it today with Seint. Because this looks a lot like the new Seint pressed pigment. Okay, so my eye is good. I'm going to do a little bit of the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. I also have Laying Low. If you're deeper skin than me, you might want to go with Laying Low. If you are much deeper, like J-Lo or darker, you might want to go with Groundwork. There's also Ochre, which is really pretty, but it's more like yellowish gold, not metallic gold, but like kind of a mustard, light mustardy gold. Okay, so look at how that just gives me this really smooth canvas. Okay, and let me know how the lighting is today because I have lighting on low because I feel like when my lighting is lower, y'all can see my skin better. And you like to see that. And there's my eyebrows and my lashes and my little press-ons that are so easy. I don't know, you tell me. Okay, now we're gonna go in real quick with the best powder, the best. And I'm just gonna take the shape brush and I'm gonna go, look, I'm already hitting pan. I've never hit pan so quickly in a powder, and this is my second version, and this just came out when? September? Oh my gosh, I'm constantly hitting pan on this because I use it every single day with every brand. Every brand. I use this powder, and I like 2 pans because then if I use a big brush, it fits. Does that make sense? And then I love that we sell this little quad. You can either do 4 little pans or 2 longer. I love this. If you're the type that needs to touch up your makeup, you could do one of your main colors. You could do 2 demi. You could do a main color and like lip and blush. And if you feel like your blush is fading, go in a little bit and do this and this and this. It's so funny to me because growing up in the 80s and 90s and being a professional makeup artist, that was just what we all did. We touched up our makeup, sometimes several times a day. But now we're all like, wah, I don't want to touch up my makeup. I want 24-hour wear. I want lips that stay on 12 hours. Well, I understand you don't want to keep reapplying, or maybe, lipstick goes into fine lines as we get older. I get that. But I have done so much makeup on mature women who show up with their drugstore vinyl 12-hour lipsticks, and it's not pretty. It's not pretty. It's not pretty close up. It's not pretty on camera. It looks really harsh. We have to be going back to, it's okay to reapply your lips. It's okay. Through history, women reapplied their lips, and now suddenly, nobody wants to reapply their lips or their makeup or their blush, but sometimes you just have to. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to go in with this gorgeous purple called Lilac because it really does remind me of that Nars. And oh my gosh. Now this is matte. The Nars one has a shimmer, but I want to wear this on Easter. I'm kind of boring when it comes to Easter. I don't really wear fun colors in my wardrobe, and I really don't wear many dresses. I'm really not a dress girl. I wish I was. I have friends who are dress girls. That's all they wear is dresses. I'm jeans, or I'm like, I don't know, some kind of a linen pant. I'm just not a jeans girl. I mean, I'm not a dress girl, and I wish I was. And when I do wear a dress, I feel really feminine and really pretty, and my husband loves when I wear a dress, but I'm just not a dress person. How gorgeous is this purple? Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to put it on now. That's just all using my finger. That's just using my finger, but I want to take a little bit. I washed all my brushes. Took a day and a half to dry, but I washed all of them because I remember when I did that brush cleaner a couple weeks ago and I got oil in all my brushes. Oh, I was so mad. Okay, now I'm gonna take this up into the crease a little bit just to kind of make it look like it's on the whole eye and not just the eyelid. We definitely can wear a crease color. If we want a little bit more depth in the eye, we can go in with a crease color. Oh, I love that. Isn't that so pretty? Now remember, we could do my white pencil trick too, but I want this to be like soft for Easter. Whereas like last week I did the white pencil and I did Maldives. Kept calling it mermaid, but it's Maldives, and that gave me a really bold, funky eye. But this, I wanted just soft washes of color. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and then I think I'm done with this palette. I just wanted to do the lilac, so I'm gonna put that up over here. Okay, and then I got a little bit under the eyes, so I gotta sweep it up a little bit. Okay, and then I want to take a little bit of a shimmer. and put in the center. So I think I'm gonna do a little Aries, maybe a little bit of Aries, just popping a little bit in the center. Just a little bit, just to give it a pretty shimmer. What I'll probably do on Easter, most likely, is I'll probably use one of these. But this is our advent calendar, and a lot of people didn't get this. But I want to show you these pinks. Let me show you. That's just a really pretty icy pink, but see how it's a duochrome? It's like gold, now it's pink, now it's gold, now it's pink. It's kind of like Tawanda, but it's a little lighter and icier. And then I want to show you this pink. That's like a pink and a purple, and that would be so pretty on, you know what, I'm just going to do a little bit, because you could always look for this as a single and get it someday. But that is called Winterberry. Just going to do a tiny bit on the outer eye. It just feels very Easter egg to me, you know? Yeah. See that little bit? It's so cute. I love our advent calendars are all fun duochromes, but that's all I'm going to use of that, because we don't have that for everybody. But I am going to use that. I'm going to go back to Aries, because Aries is just such a pretty color. And I'm going to do Aries in the center of the eye, just to give it, you know, a little dimension when we look different ways. And then I'm going to take this little bullet brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but it's the bullet. It's like a little bullet and then a fluffy side. You'd think after 3 years I would remember all this, but I don't know it. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little Aries, and I'm going to go right on the inner eye. Okay, and then I have a little bit of eyeliner on. Even though I wiped probably half of it off, there's still a little bit of eyeliner, but this is probably going to be my Easter look. I'm doing it early to give everyone time to order, but maybe you're just here to watch and have fun and you don't want to order purple and you'd never wear purple. That's fine. We're going to have fun just doing this. Do a little bit more Aries in the middle. A little more Aries in the middle. There, so it's on the inner corner. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. And see how I've got a pink little Hollywood. That's actually not Hollywood, but it could be Hollywood. Okay, then I want to go in with a little bit of contour in my crease, just because I don't know, I just don't recognize myself without a little bit of contour in the crease. So I'm going to do Chai, but you certainly could do Pup. If you were a cool toned girl, Pup would be so pretty, but I'm going to do Chai just to kind of like bring some warmth to the eye without changing that gorgeous purple, and kind of tying it in more with my hair. See, already I'm seeing a little bit of warmth and a little bit of dimension in the crease. And I love that, okay? So here, we could do just a purple eye, or I'm adding that little bit of Chai to give me a little bit of dimension and a little warmth. Here's the thing, please play with colors and have fun. I feel like a lot of women are scared they're gonna make a mistake, but that's part of makeup. Sometimes you have to learn what works and what doesn't. Sometimes you have to put colors together that you never would think to put together, because that's what makes it so fun. Like, I love taking something like, what color is this? Holly. I love taking like a reddish brown, which, you know, looks so good with my hair, and then putting an icy mint green with it, because what? Red and green are opposites on the color wheel, so they pop, right? I just think that's so fun to play. And so I'm giving you permission today to play with makeup and have fun with it, okay? I love it. I would totally do this for Easter. I really would. In fact, I'm going to. And I don't know if I'll use Seint or Nars, but I really love this purple. And it's just like you saw, it can go on more bold, or it can go on like a sheer wash of color. So you don't have to be afraid of it. Look at that. That is just so pretty. You know, and if you keep the whole face really soft, you're not gonna look crazy, I promise. Who was it last week that, I think it was at Lisa? I think Lisa said that the green was too out there and it's not really a good look for mature women. Oops. And, you know, I respectfully disagree. I think it depends on your attitude. It depends on, you know, purple's not for everyone. Neither is that funky green. But the whole internet is full of people doing boring neutrals every day. I don't want to do that. I want to push you. I want you to think outside of the box. I want you to try combinations that you would never try if it wasn't for seeing me do some crazy stuff. And listen, I don't even go real crazy here on YouTube. I go more crazy on TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna wing that out a little bit. This is the Victoria Beckham, because the Victoria Beckham just, it's so easy to blend. I love the Victoria Beckham pencil. Okay, so there you go. There's my Easter eye. I might even take, you know, a little Bubba and do a little Bubba in the crease just to give it a little more oomph, but I don't think I know where Bubba is right now. I have like 500 palettes just all running amok. Here's Bubba. There's Bubba. Let's do a little, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush here and I'm gonna go, I don't want to go over the purple, but I just like a little more dimension in the crease for me. Not everyone needs that, but I do. I feel more comfortable when I have a little more dimension in the crease. And it still keeps the eye soft and neutral, but it ties it in a little bit more with my warm hair. But then I've got that fun pop of purple. There you go. That's Lilac pressed pigments. And then if you don't have the feather blur powder, I mean, what are you waiting for? It's so good. It is so good. And I always use that with our wash brush. We have a wash brush that I love using it with. Here it is. It's long and tapered and it can just go in all the little perfect areas. I love that brush. And then the shape brush I love for blush. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll put my Seint affiliate link if anyone needs to order anything, but I love it. It's very Eastery. It's very fun. Have fun with color, play. It's makeup. It washes off. And I will see you on Saturday for the look I started the whole video with. And my eyes were a drugstore product, because I'm always trying to be mindful of people on a budget, okay? I love you. God loves you. Bye for now.